Something that you see while you're en route to Munnar from Kolukkumalai. It's all rolling hills, rolling hills, rolling hills with continuous straightforward tea plantations, tea plantations, tea plantations that you can see anywhere as far as your eyes can go. I know GoPro will not do as much as justice as it should, but yeah, this is how Munnar looks like while you are going towards Munnar city. So we are at somewhere called Lockhart Gap View. The view was really amazing and beautiful. We are now again heading back to Munnar to continue exploring Munnar city and nearby areas, which we will continue doing so. But the roads are like really beautiful, like very well maintained roads and extra wide, as you can see. I mean, Afroz bhai and Maz are just saying that it looks like somewhere we're riding in somewhere in Europe or somewhere like that. Yeah. So roads are really beautiful and the views are as usual exceptional. So we left our camping spot at around 12. Time is around 1 o'clock. So just as we were passing, we found this place called Lockhart Gap View. Really beautiful place. I mean, we wanted to stop for a bit longer, but time is quite insufficient for us. So we have to head back. We wanted to really spend some more time here and chill for some time, but time isn't allowing us. So we gotta head back to our hotels, get ready, and explore Munnar a bit. So that's the plan for the rest of the day. Weather is really nice, but yeah, the view is really beautiful. You can actually see the city somewhere on the far right. I'm not sure how much you guys can see the city, but yeah, that's how the city looks like in between all the tea plantations and dense forest. And these guys are really lucky to stay in such places, because the views that they get to see every day is something that we in the city really crave for. And some good off-road again in Munnar. Under construction roads to reach our stay for tonight. Place is 500 meters away. Whoa. ये China है ना राइट में तेज भी राइट का साइड पे था राइट पे डालो अंदर चढ़ा ऊपर तेज भी देखो क्रॉस लेके इधर मैम रूम इरुक्कु बुकिंग इरुच्चु and we are exiting Munnar. We are actually going back to Bangalore. Time is around 7:45. The duration is going to take close to 10 hours or 11 hours mostly, but we should take a little more longer because we will be taking a lot of breaks for breakfast and lunch and some small chai breaks. But yeah, this is how the city looks like. This is the new Munnar. What you saw earlier was old Munnar. Old Munnar has a lot of more amenities and a lot of more shops, but this is how the new Munnar city looks like. It's pretty commercial, but it is needed in a remote area as such. बहुत गलत में बहुत मैसेज कहता था वो मैं फर्स्ट टाइम गया था वो बोला नहीं बहुत मैसेज कर वो दूसरे में भी कंसर्ट चल रहा था वो मस्जिद का Whoa bro, whoa, beautiful bro. Rolling hills of tea gardens. This is Udumalpet to something road, and this road is quite scenic. All rolling hills of tea gardens. Check this out. Undeniably beautiful. Seriously bro, काम मिले हो so steep. Oh my god. ज़रा स्लो भी रहता वही ना ऊपर तक बहुत डेंजर फॉरेस्ट है So we are standing in some waterfall. We are standing on the way, and we spot a nice waterfall very far away. Looks quite beautiful in the midst of greens. Somewhere in the between the jungle. चलो जाएंगे. बहुत जबरदस्त वाटरफॉल हो. ए बना डालते हुए रास्ते उससे भी टूरिस्ट को small traffic jam, but traffic jam with a view. Beautiful roads inside Udumalpet Tiger Reserve. Hoping to see some animals, but looks like it's not our day today to see any animals. I think it's very hot as well, and animals don't really come out when it's hot. Although the traffic here is really high, we've been seeing a lot of small traffic jams every now and then, but the road is really well maintained, and along the roads, check out the views. With views like this and roads so good is why we actually ride, and the experience of riding on this road has been really nice. People have been really accommodating, fun, they wave and they greet us. It's fun. You really like get to experience what a biker would actually feel. I think we are now exiting the checkpost from Udumalpet Tiger Reserve. This is what I was talking about, so there's literally no space for me to go. I think so we are out of the mountains now. It's all plains from here going forward. So I hope now this should be a quick stop at Salem or someplace. Not Salem, I would say quick stop at somewhere nearby for a chai or something like that, because we are all really thirsty again. Quite hot. फुल एक्सट्रीम बॉडी पेन हो रहा मुझे.